The James Webb Telescope is about to literally rewrite history, you guys. But what is the point? Why does this matter? Why should I care? Well, this tool is actually going to allow for humans to understand how our universe and other universes were formed. It's actually going to take images and show us how this all happened. And at the end of this video, I want to show what our first images from the James Webb Telescope look like that we just got this last month. So what exactly is the James Webb Telescope? So that's what I would be asking if I didn't know anything about this. Well, the James Webb Space Telescope is an infrared observatory orbiting the sun at about 1 million miles from Earth to find the first galaxies that formed in the early universe and to see what stars forming planetary systems are out there, aka what is forming universes. Pretty big deal. So with that, like, what else is the James Webb Telescope going to be able to see? Well, it's pretty amazing. The telescope will actually be able to observe the planets at or beyond the orbit of Mars, satellites, comets, and asteroids. It's going to be able to see the very first light ever produced after the Big Bang, which is like, I can't even fathom that. And it's also going to be able to see the formation of the first stars and galaxies. In addition to that, it will also monitor the weather of planets and all of their moons. So all in all, it's pretty incredible. This is a massive tool for us to be able to study the universe and where everything came from and where it's going. So exactly how far can this telescope even see? Well, according to NASA, the Webb telescope is so sensitive to infrared light, they would actually be able to detect even a slight amount of heat coming off of a bumblebee that's as far away as the moon is from Earth. Literally unbelievable. Technically, it can also see the small details on a little US penny about 25 miles away from the penny. Basically, to do all this, the actual telescope needs to stay really freaking cold. I'm talking negative 388 degrees cold. And just recently, this past month, we got our very first images from the telescope, which are right here. So this looks like stars or like a bunch of little blurs, but it's actually all of the same light from the same star because the James Webb mirrors aren't quite aligned yet. The images are all going to improve over time, obviously. We're going to be eventually able to see galaxies and see other planets and moons around planets. But for right now, this is the first image that we got. There are literally 2 billion pixels in this image, you guys. That's unbelievable. I love talking about this, you guys. The paradigm is shifting, the world is changing, the universe is expanding. If you guys like this video, please like it. If you guys would love to learn more about space or also what it's like to live a life without drinking, which I do, go ahead and subscribe below or give me a follow. And if you guys have any questions, any comments, anything you want to drop down there, go ahead and pop it in the section below and I look forward to seeing it. Thank you guys for watching and I look forward to next time. See ya.